Couple of interesting points to look at right here. This is a Nordic Tug in the boatyard for some service work. This is the generator exhaust and the generator liquid, or the water exhaust. On the inside of the boat there's a water lift muffler and a square box called a hush muffler. So the vapors from the engine come out here and the liquids come out here to reduce the amount of splashing or rhythmic noises of exhausting. And you can see where the lifting strap from the travel lift was. And looking up on the top, I'll show you where the marker is for the lifting strap. So when you're lifting your boat and the guy driving the travel lift wants to know where to put the straps, you can see that white marker up there at the top. That is the signal. That is the sign where to put the straps. If you want to learn more about haul outs, any kind of boatyard work, vessel systems, remember to ask Captain Chris.